So, this is what my eye looks like right after, my brother accidentally shot me in the eye, and now I have to do this to my eye because it actually hurts very bad.
You didn't get shot in the eye. You got shot in the corner of the eye.
Oh yeah, in the corner of the eye.
Well, you can kind of see the bruise right there under your eye.
Yeah, right here. And it was with this Nerf gun. It actually shoots hard.
No, it doesn't.
You don't know what it feels like, actually.
No, I do.
I cried a lot because it actually hurts.
I caught you crying on camera.
Yes, you did.
It's kind of weird. I think you knocked over your iPad.
Yeah, I think you did. But yeah, this is what the after looks like, just in case you were wondering.
Maybe the perfect skin. Maybe you could play them. Maybe I could play them a sad song.
No.
A sad weird song. Ooh, the egg shakers. That's kind of loud.
But yeah.
What else do you want to talk about with them?
You can definitely see the difference between this eye and this eye. Look, this eye is like bulging. This one is just like normal. But yeah, that's the video I was going to show you.